You ever just want to cry your eyes out?
Baby, let's just take our chance.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. If it's your first time here, then my name is Destiny. And hold on, let me probably find it down because I stay looking in it. But anyway, my name is Destiny, and today I just pretty much cleaned up my whole apartment because I have a hair appointment today. And she should be on the way. It was at 11 and it's 11. It's at 1 and it's 1:11, so she should be here. But I just like moved one of my bar stools right here so that I could like, and I moved this mirror out of my room and put it right here, whatever. Don't know why it's freaking blurry, but okay. So yeah, anyway, don't know why it's blurry, but anyway, so yeah, she should be here soon. So right now I'm just chilling. I have an acai bowl that I had like on Friday and I didn't finish it, and I want a new one, but I feel like it's just pointless, so I'm gonna just eat that one, and then if I still want another one, I'm gonna get another one, but I feel like I'm gonna want food. So yeah, I got my lashes done on Friday. You can tell like this one is really gappy, like right there. I sleep crazy, so they just be coming out, but it's not that bad. But I'm going back tomorrow to get them fixed, so y'all will see that. But yeah, today this morning, it's 1 o'clock, so this morning I woke up, I did 2 readings, and then after my readings I started cleaning up, getting myself together. I took a shower, blow dry my hair, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show y'all the hair that I'm doing. Anyways, this is the hair. So this is it. It's really curly. I didn't think it was gonna be this curly, but it's okay. I think it's gonna be really cute. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm a little nervous, but I think it's gonna be cute. So yeah. I'm shedding a little bit, but this might be my own hair, honestly. But yeah. And I just have on, hold on, I'll show you. Well, obviously I already seen it, but I just have on these blue kyanite skims or whatever. Damn, I cannot put this shit back in this net. So yeah, that's just what is going. Hey y'all, so my hair is done. I love it. It's not that long, but it's cute. And yeah, you guys will know why I didn't get it this long tomorrow. So yeah, anyway, it's cute. It's cute. I love it. She did that as always. She did that, period. She did that. But yeah, let me show you guys the swimsuit I'm about to put on. So I keep like looking in this fucking mirror. I mean, looking in this corner because my mirror is supposed to be right there, but I put it in the living room when she did my hair. But anyways, so I'm gonna put this little cover up on, and then this is the swimsuit because this is like I said, tomorrow you guys will know why, but I can't leave the house. So besides today, so I'm gonna enjoy my day tomorrow. I mean, enjoy my day today, probably tomorrow too, honestly. But yeah, I'm about to put this on. Just wanted to check in and show y'all my hair. It's a vibe, it's cute, and I'll be right back.
Oh my god, and it's crazy because you literally be knowing.
I be fucking knowing. Like when I see shit or just have those dreams, I be knowing it's for a reason. Like I didn't watch that video that day for no reason. Hey guys, so I'm back from the pool. I've been back for like an hour now, but maybe like 2. But I just been laying down, just getting my energy back. I posted some angel numbers on my Instagram, so you guys need to make sure that you are paying attention to that. So I kept telling y'all earlier, y'all will know why. Y'all will know why tomorrow. So tomorrow, let me just tell y'all because it's going to be in the video anyway. But tomorrow, I am getting a chemical peel because if you watch last week's video, then you know that I was complaining about my face over here and I don't want to live like this no more. No, but seriously though, like my skin has always been an issue, and like I've gotten like calmer chemical peels, but this one is gonna be like really a real one, like where my shit is really gonna be peeling. And so I had to stay in the house, but it's okay because while I'm in the house, I'm just gonna decorate my office or whatever, because y'all know I still haven't done that. And y'all remember on last week's video, if you haven't watched it, just go watch it because everything is just gonna make sense. But on last week's video, I put the desk together wrong. Tell me why I took it apart and put it together the wrong way again. So after that, I was like, you know what? This ain't for me. This is not for me. I'm gonna just wait because I can't do it. But I'm gonna try again because I'm not a giver upper. And when things aren't working out, I just know that it's not time. So this is the perfect time. I can work on my office. I can save money this week because I can't go anywhere. But I am gonna grocery shop tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna go and get a new comforter because I need a new freaking comforter, y'all. Like my comforter is just over with. Like it's over with, like it's done. So I'm gonna have to get a comforter, and I'm gonna have to get something with color on it because honestly I could get another white one or a cream one or whatever, but the thing about that one is it's so big and fluffy that any little spot, if I put it in the washer, I'm gonna have to take it to like some cleaners or something. That's what I decided I'm gonna do today. But if I put it in the washer, it spreads throughout the whole, it could be the tiniest dot, like the tiniest dot of anything, and it's going to spread throughout the whole cover in the washer, and it's not gonna come out. And I noticed today that it's on my pillow too, so well, on one of my pillows. But yeah, so I have to get a new comforter this week, just period, point blank. But yeah, so pretty much gonna be finishing my room, and yeah. Hi guys, oh, y'all hear my voice? Ew. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday, obviously, but yeah, so last night I just went to sleep. Well, honestly, I didn't go to sleep. I was literally up all night, but whatever. So, oh, hold on. My battery's dying. Okay, just changed my battery. Anyway, excuse this angle, but I'm in bed. It's like it's like 11:50 right now. Y'all, my apartments don't be playing. They be having food trucks here. They just sent me a message saying one is coming at 5 o'clock. And hopefully I'm back from my appointment by then. But I feel like I will be because the girl, she does my lashes so fast. She's giving me my chemical peel, but those don't take long, so I'm getting that food truck, bitch, because I don't feel like cooking. I know I'm not gonna feel like cooking when I get back. Because for one, I have a reading. Because I had to reschedule somebody. I already done one today. I have one in 30 minutes. And I have another one when I get back. And so, yeah. So right now, I got on camera because I want to order some food or whatever from Target. she's like with a client, but it's okay. Not tripping. I really didn't have time to like get cute for real. But yeah. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna go to a store down here. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So she is not ready. Every time I come, she's not ready, but it literally is fine. Like, I need to get out the house as much as possible anyway, so she good. I'm good. How are you? Let me think. How much are y'all hookahs?
Depends which one you're looking at.
I don't need a super big one.
Like this.
Stop it. Hi. You want to see my vlog? Look. Hi, puppy. Oh. What's his name? Hi, baby. Hi, Stinker Man. Hi, you're so sweet. You be like this to all the girls or just me? He said, you know what? I'm not about to play with you.
You're struggling to get up there. Got short legs, so.
He's so cute. Okay, anyway.
Yeah, so like you looking for like this size or?
I'm excited. My other one is so busted. You would be like, ew. I'm so serious. It's terrible. She had me caught up in it. Hey, how are you? Your hair is so pretty. Hi guys, so I am back from getting my chemical peel. Obviously right now it doesn't look like anything, but you know, I look real shiny, real glowy and stuff. But yeah, quick, painless, and I'm excited. She said I should probably get another one in like 3 weeks. But we're gonna see how this one does. She was like, your skin isn't bad at all. Which I know. Every time I get a facial from a new person, they always tell me that my skin isn't bad. But I don't like my skin because it's me and I have to live with it. And y'all just know how that is. When you just have like an insecurity about something or you just don't like something. Like, cause obviously I'm not too insecure about my skin because I'm always on camera and stuff. But yeah. So my apartment is literally a freaking mess and a half. So guess what we about to do? Oh shit, you know what? I was supposed to be having an appointment right now. Oh fuck y'all. I have to go and get my freaking food. I don't have time for this. Oh fuck, I'm gonna go. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah. Hey y'all. It's only been like 2 minutes, but we back. So let's take a hold on, let me go turn my bathroom light off because it doesn't need to be on. This shit smells so good. What is this? Oh, the tacos. Wow, y'all. This smells so good, and I really have not eaten all day. I ate like 2 brownies. This is like the perfect day for this. That's a little tough.
Yeah. Show me some. Let me hold your tongue.
Okay guys, so I've been done with this, but my camera shut off and I was trying to show y'all me doing it. But I cleaned out the fridge and I just kind of restocked everything. I got some new half and half for my coffee. I got some cheese for the toast I'm gonna do, and then I got this stuff in here. This is like some wraps. I might throw those away, but you know, I might make some one day. Some mint in there for mojitos, pickles, some cheese. And then right here is my vegetables. A lot of vegetables in there. And then this is just vegetables that I used already that I put in bags. So like new and then open ones or used ones. And then down here is some pineapple juice. It's some soda for my mojitos back there. This is some coconut milk, and then behind it is some tea, and then behind that is some matcha, but y'all can't really see, but you can, you know, you get the gist. And then I got some new coffee today. I've been wanting to try this coffee for a minute. I heard it was really good, so instead of getting another Starbucks, and then it's another Starbucks behind there, but I had got the cold brew, this chameleon or whatever. And then I got some strawberries. I rinsed them off. I put them in this little thing. And then over here it's just lemons and limes. Okay. Be smooth, thank you. Eggs right here. I got 2 cartons. One of them is like has a couple left in it. And then this is a new one. This is like lettuce and spinach in here. And then down there is some chicken that I put in here because I was gonna cook it today, but I ended up getting food from that food truck. And then it's some yogurt. And then over here I have the thing that I bought last week that you guys seen if you watched the vlog. I restocked my Gatorades, and then down here is my Snapples. This one is open, but I put it back in the fridge. I just wanted to not taste it, but I just wanted to take a sip. And the rest of them are not open. And then there's water, more water. This is my favorite water, but I barely drink it because I was gonna use it when I go to the gym, but I don't ever go. But I might go sometime this week because I can't leave the house because of my chemical pill. But I will walk to the gym and stuff. And then more water, just lots of water. But yeah, pretty much that is the fridge. I'm gonna take a picture so I can put it on my. Good morning. It is Wednesday. It's literally it literally feels like what does it feel like? It feels like the weekend.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me looks hotter than the city. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah. Yeah, she keep giving me looks. Yeah. Girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Shorty to fly though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh.
Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm about to make a hookah. Damn! Now I got all these tips everywhere. Anyway.
Oh, I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung.
Hey y'all, so I put this little outfit back on because I only ignored the mess. Anyway, I only had it on for like 2 hours the other day or whatever, and I'm gonna make some tarot videos today, so make sure you guys are tuned into that. And not gonna lie, my apartment looks like bullshit right now. Like, excuse me, I feel like I literally clean up every day, 50 times a day. Yesterday I didn't, and that's why it looks so bad. And I cooked everything. I did, like, girl, I did like put everything in the sink and stuff besides the pots, but like yesterday I was just not feeling it. Like, I just needed time to recharge. I didn't work yesterday. I feel like some days like the energy that I'm feeling just always rubs off on my work, and like I just really needed a break yesterday, and I got that or whatever because I didn't work. But today, baby, I got to clean up. And today we are finally getting started with my office. I know last week y'all seen me saying it was office week, and it wasn't because I didn't get to it. But this week it really is. I have nothing to do. I'm just sitting because I can't really go outside. And let me look at my face. Hold on. So she told me that I won't start peeling until like the 3rd day, and it's been the 2nd day. So I have like, let me see if you guys can tell. I have like, I don't know if it's gonna focus. I'm just sitting here clearly. I have been cleaning. I did my bathroom, and I've been like washing or whatever. My comforter and my sheets are right here with some clothes I need to wash, but and the blanket. But my comforter is in there or whatever. Y'all know it's super big. So, but I figured out that my comforter 9 times out of 10 was not washing because I didn't have my washer on the right setting. Because I remember when I first got here, it actually was washing, but the setting wasn't on soak anymore, and I couldn't figure out how to turn it back. Like, it would do everything but soak, and so I figured it out today. So hopefully, you know, it brings my cover back to life because I need it, I want it. I like this comforter. I mean, I do be hella hot, but I always keep my air on at night, and so yeah. But yeah, I'm just sitting here, just a little update. I'm about to get up and show you guys my bathroom. And I just talked to my stepdad. Just ignore all that. Anyway, we just had a little combo, a little business combo, but yeah. Okay, let me zoom out now. So yeah, the bathroom is clean. I mopped, floor is clean, cleaned the tub. I still don't even have a shower curtain, y'all. I always forget, like, and plus when I be going to Target and places, they don't be having what I want. So, because I don't know what I want, but whatever. Oh my God, I just cleaned this mirror and it don't look that clean. This one, it's okay, but I ain't redoing it because you know what, I ain't got time. But these are the new plugins that I'm gonna use. It's Aloha Kiwi passion fruit. Yeah, so I'm gonna put those two in my room, and the reason that the mats aren't in here is because they're washing.
We don't do no talk. See around body. In my kind of force. Don't know no force. Ignores. Me and my lazy body. We don't do no talk. I see around body. In my kind of force. Don't know no force.
I'm literally about to spaz out. Y'all. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hand wash my dishes or whatever. No big deal until they come and fix the washing machine, right? So I'm washing the dishes. Why the water starts running all over the floor from the sink. It went to the dishwasher and on the fucking floor. So now there's this big ass leak on my floor, and I'm literally not having a good fucking day. Like, my God. You see when you try to be fucking productive? I'm telling you, every time I try to set up my office, something fucking happens. And I'm still gonna do it, I don't care.
Management is responding to your request. Please hold for our representative. For quality assurance, this call may be recorded. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, this is the maintenance?
Yeah, my dishwasher is leaking really bad. Can somebody come fix it?
We will be there tomorrow. Just turn it off.
It's not on.
Tomorrow?
It's not on. It's leaking from the sink. Like, I'm washing dishes and the water from the sink is leaking through the dishwasher. Like, I can't stop it. It's just doing it.
So when you use the sink, the dishwasher start leaking?
Yeah.
That's not possible.
I mean, it's happening. So it's possible.
So is the dishwasher full of water?
The dishwasher had water inside of it already. It had a little bit, and then when I started, that's why I made the request in the first place, because the water in the dishwasher wasn't draining. And I just started washing dishes, and I know that it's the water from the sink because it has bubbles in it, and the water in the sink had bubbles in it, and it's coming on the floor from the dishwasher. I can see it leaking from the dishwasher.
Okay, so just try not to use your sink today, and we will take care of that in the morning. We had a lot of emergencies today with air conditioning. I'm really sorry we couldn't get to your apartment today, but thank you. Have a good night.
He just pissed me the fuck off. Y'all should have fucking came today talking about air conditioning. It's $1 billion of y'all. Come y'all asses over here. I'm gonna cry.
Hey, girl.
Brandy.
What?
So I put in a maintenance request for them to come and fix my dishwasher because it literally has stank ass, brown ass water in it, and it won't drain out like for whatever reason or whatever, and it's like making gnats, and I need it fixed or whatever, right? So I was like, okay, I'll just wash my dishes because I can't use the dishwasher because it works, but it'll just have water in it or whatever, and I didn't want no more water to be in there. And so I freaking start washing dishes, and while all the water from the sink starts coming out of the dishwasher, and I know it's the water from the sink because it's draining out and going straight on my floor with soap and everything, like bubbles and everything. And so I called the maintenance people, and this man said they're not coming till tomorrow.
Is the water still running on the floor?
Yes. And then he said, I told him what's happening. He said that's not possible. Why would I sit here and make that up?
Wow.
Like, what is the point of having an emergency number if you're not gonna come urgently? Like, that's stupid. Like, they probably did just get off at like 6 because I called it like 5:50 something, but it's like, I don't care. Y'all should have came today, or y'all need to come right now. Like, that's really annoying. It's gnats everywhere. Like, I'm sick of it. And I Googled it. Gnats come from water.
Yeah, it's been expanding water.
Yeah.
It is.
Okay, y'all. Good morning. It's Friday. I know I was in a bad mood last night, but I'm not anymore. They came this morning and they fixed it. I just got out of the shower. I just put my robe back on because I don't have no clothes on, and y'all are gonna see my body, and I'm not putting clothes on. So yeah. And I just have like a t-shirt and some panties under. But oh, let me stop scratching my face. My face was peeling earlier. I think I'm gonna like insert a clip that I had made. It's so like red. I mean, my face is usually always red right here, but it's a little down, so I know it's a little more. And yeah, I just washed it though, so that's why you really can't tell that it's peeling, because after you moisturize it, it'll like calm down, and then you just have to wait for it to start again, basically. But it smells so good in here. My favorite candle, the coconut sandalwood. It just smells so good and just calm. When the girl came over here to do my hair, she was like, your house smells like well, she didn't really finish her sentence, but I had this candle and she just kept saying it's like very calm in here, very calm. I'm like, yeah, that's the goal, to be honest, to have a super calm environment. I need peace. But yeah, so damn, the dishwasher is still going. I thought it would be done by now, but that's okay. We can just give it a couple minutes, but we don't. Give it everything it needs to give. What's up, y'all? We back. We ate. We energized. We're happy. It's Friday. And we ready to do this office. Y'all know what I was up thinking about last night? I was like, damn, like I'm about to take some of these. Y'all should take these. Have your little vagina on. Don't play with me. But that's not why I take it. It's like also, it has a lot of benefits. It's really good for you. You can put them in smoothies. They have it like just in powder form. Honestly, if you make smoothies, I would recommend getting the powder because these are like really powdery. I'm sure there's brands that don't have them super powdery, but these are. And I feel like, hold on, let me throw this away. I feel like I'm gonna regret taking 2. But you know what? I'm gonna do it. And then I'll take 2 of those, and then I'll take 2 of these, and then at nighttime, I'll take 2 of these and 1 of those. And then I'm gonna get some other stuff. And I need to get like some vitamin C and stuff, cause baby, I can't catch COVID, baby. I can't. Who gonna take care of me? Who gonna take care of me? Up here, which I think I'm like, we too old for that, honestly. But the who finna get up there though? That's high. Look at the floor, and then look how high that is.
that. Yes. Party. Oh, I'm leaning, 420 leaning. You know I don't know steaming. Secrets you keeping, I never keep them. I know you seen them. Seen in the Rolls Royce leaning. Chick named Janina, slim like my Nina. Out in Miami, Dolphin Marina. Let me fly you out where it's sandy. Tastes like candy, face on Yandy. New B-Day 28, just granted. Pink brown eyes, all Asian and slanted. Niggas all on you, I can't stand it. I booked the flight, baby, I just landed. I just ran it to you at Camden. You still got it, Yorkdale shopping. You're still popping, you're still top of my list. Girl, I've been in it so deep, I ain't slept in 5 weeks. Side thing, man, wishing out who I breathe. This is for the girls born in the 90s. I'ma let you finish, let me get to my girl. I've been in it so deep, I ain't slept in 5 weeks. Side thing, man, wishing out who I breathe. This is for the girls born in the 90s. I'ma let you finish, let me get to my money. I hear the raps talking, gotta relax on it. Girls get me in trouble all the time. Out here looking for a diamond in the rough. Yeah, and this goes to the ones that die for the ones that never turn the thoughts when summertime comes. Ain't no second thoughts when I need some. Hey, baby girl, that's why I need you. You don't make it no easier. Been up all day, that's why I'm leaning. In it so deep, I ain't slept in 5 weeks. Side thing, man, wishing out who I breathe. This is for the girls born in the 90s. I'ma let you finish, let me get to my girl.
Show y'all, let me show y'all the food. Ooh, is it giving? Is it giving? It's giving. Oh, it's giving. Yes. Don't play with me. Yeah, don't play with me. So I wanted to show y'all my face. I just got the shower. It's Saturday. It's 9:58. Today I'm going to, oh my God, y'all. That looks nasty. It's not too bad over here, but yeah. So I'm about to wash my face. I just wanted to show y'all first, but I'm about to wash my face and then I'm gonna go in my office and I'll tell you guys what we doing today. Well, actually, I'm gonna be in the kitchen because I'm gonna make something to eat first so I can start my day off right. But yeah, we'll be back. I just wanted to show y'all this peeling. When I wash it, it'll go away. So let me stop touching it. But crazy, right? Okay, hold on. I'm just so hungry and so I just have no energy. So I just don't want to. I don't want to cook. I only slept on you because you started selling dreams. She's out there with a good guy, no. She's out with a guy who pushed a pretty penny. Her friend just lets me know she said he gets more paper than me. Yeah. There goes my ego. This shit is weak though. You ever just want to cry your eyes out? See, this is why, and that's another thing. Like, after you do readings, you just be feeling all that energy. And Like, why do I want to cry? I woke up in a great mood. But honestly, like, one thing about me is when I don't eat, I'm a baby. So that's really probably why.
Pizza Hut. I used Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut sounds good, but I don't think they're gonna deliver it. Pizza Hut. Yeah, they don't have it on here. Get everything but Pizza Hut. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what food I get, because I really don't know what I'm gonna end up getting, so we'll just see together. I'm gonna go with it. Let y'all know.
Okay, y'all. Miss Dramatic is, well, no, that actually wasn't dramatic, because why was they taking so long? But regardless, I got my food. I ate it though. It was some wings. It was nothing special, but I ate it. It was some wings and this soup, and then I got some boba, and I'm eating the little things at the bottom. The boba, because it's a talent. I think they forgot my straw. But I literally had to go outside and find the people, because I could tell that they was here, but I couldn't find them. Oh my God, y'all wanna say something? Hold on. Do y'all wanna see something freaking funny? So you know how like the DoorDash people have to take a picture of the food? So, look. Well, I look kinda thick though. Like, I look thick though. Yeah, I'm so dead. This hookah is like so much better than my new one. I got food in my teeth. I need to get that out. It's gonna irritate me. So my camera is about to die, I'm pretty sure, but I just wanted to show y'all my skin really quick. Hopefully it focuses. Y'all, you can't really tell on camera, but like I literally have like, well, you can kind of tell a little bit, but this like whole part of my face is like so dark. And you can't tell, but it's so dark. And like, I feel like my body is not about to match my face at all, because my body is really dark right now. Like, probably one of the darkest it's ever been, because I be sitting directly in the sun when I go out, when I go to the pool. So my face is probably like so much lighter. I mean, about to be so much lighter, because it already was anyway. I wonder if I did a chemical peel on my neck, would it mess up my tattoo? My phone is ringing, baby. I'm getting texts. It's Emma though. I'm talking to Emma in China right now. My boss friends, period. Boss bitches only. So yeah, let me take this off. Anyway.
Yeah, so I'm just washing my face right now and getting this dead ass skin off. So I hate doing this, because when you like moisturize, all the skin just be like clumping on your face, and I don't want.
Hey guys, so it is Sunday. I just literally, it's what, like, yeah, it's 1 o'clock. I cleaned. My battery's about to die, but I cleaned basically everything. It's still like some stuff over here and stuff that I'm gonna get up, but it was like boxes all over there and some more stuff, whatever, it's just shit. But the kitchen is clean. My office is clean. my room is pretty much clean. Y'all know it's really nothing in my room, but I just gotta put my comforter in the washer and stuff. And then the bathroom is clean. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. And happy August, guys. Yay, I'm so excited. So I'm about to eat. I'm about to make like some toast or something. And this is probably where I'm gonna end this vlog, because today I'm just gonna write down some goals for August and just kind of regroup, figure out what I'm gonna do this month. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.